This year we decided to make our ornaments in 3 different colors.
Pink, blue, and silver.
We've got some stars that we've already cut up.
Yeah, and some that we don't really have glitter on,
But we can add glitter later on, can't we? Right? We start by cutting out
some string. From our glitter string.
And then we need to fold it in half like this.
Yeah.
Leave this part so we can use it to hang. And then we lay out the stars. So use the big stars first. Do you have another big star?
I found one.
Perfect. So and then you stick it right on top of the other one. Perfect. This is the first one, the first star. Now we get a smaller one and a smaller one. So this is the pink and the blue. And now we're going to do the last one.
Can I do the last one?
Yeah, sure. Just make sure. Yeah, that's right. Perfect. Cecily did a great job. And can you make sure it's exactly on top of the other one?
Sure.
Fantastic. Just this little bit of string that's left, just cut it out.
Because you don't want that to show.
That looks amazing! Isn't it so good?
I'm going to show you how to make a star ornament made out of pipe cleaners like this one. First, you bend it as a star shape. And now it's a star shape. Now we're going to wrap it with yarn. So I finished wrapping it up with my yarn. Now I'm going to cover it with glitter. I'm just going to leave this to dry and then I'll hang it on my Christmas tree. Now we're going to show you how to make paper stars.
Okay, so you can use silver paper or some cardboard paper.
Or what you want.
And then you can print out these stars from our blog and cut them. So stick the cutout stars onto your cardboard. Now that the stars have dried, we're going to fold them. We fold these first, those small edges. Because you have small fingers. Make sure you fold into the printout so you don't have any fold outs from here. Now we fold on these dotted lines. So first fold here. You're going to notice some creases. So you need to fold the pointy part of the star out and the inside like this. You can either stick these together, stick the flaps together to have a proper 3D star, or you can do it the way Cece's going to do it and cut out another star that's the same size and stick the 3D popping side onto the silver star. Once you've put glue on all the tips, get a piece of string, put the string inside, and glue it on so it will stick there. And then put the other piece on.